Hello guys, welcome to my channel and now we're gonna cook chicken dong. All you need is chicken, breadcrumbs, flour, and egg. So let's start cooking. What you need to do is marinate your chicken with this all-purpose seasoning. Okay? I already put this one. I already put mine. So, and then marinate for 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, guys. So, after we marinate the chicken, let's cut it in small pieces. Okay, let's start cooking. Already put the oil. We're gonna fry this chicken first. Stir the egg. Okay, let's wait if it's hot, and let's start cooking. Put this. This one. Start. Fry the chicken. This one is easy, guys. I love chicken. Just fry it, okay? So let's wait until it's fried, okay? Okay, let's do it again until we finish our Sauce we need is soy sauce, our all-purpose, sugar, cornstarch, and egg. Okay? And onion. I already prepared that, guys. And for the sauce, all we need is half of onion. So let's cut the onion. Cut the onion. Nice onion. Okay. So let's put water. Put the onion. Let it boil, okay? Yummy, yummy, yummy! Children, it's so yummy! Can't wait to eat! Guys, you see it's boiling. You need soy sauce and all-purpose again. Let's put soy sauce. Let's put this one. And of course our sugar and cornstarch. Okay. Let's put sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar or 2 tablespoons. And then our egg. Put our egg. And then we need our cornstarch. Cornstarch. Let's put our cornstarch. It's yummy. Our sauce. Wait until it cooks. See? Yummy! And now, let's prepare our rice. Sauce is done. Let's now prepare our rice. Let's go! And guys, here's our rice. Let's put the chicken. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Our chicken here on top, and then let's put our sauce. So guys, that's it. Okay, guys, here's our chicken dong. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I hope you like our easy chicken dong. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on my next cooking video. Bye! Much love.